Hi, Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Morpeko from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw a cute Morpeko, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to go across a little bit wider, say about right here, and draw another circle. There, now that I have my two circles in, I'm going to come back inside in the center and draw another circle. And same thing here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this curve right here. And then shade this all in. And same thing here. If I'm correct, this part is supposed to be like gray color. Hopefully I'm right. And I'm going to get a marker to shade it all in to show you. So now I've got this gray marker right here. I'm just going to come in here and shade this all in. And as I get to the black area, I'm going to come in here and just keep going at it to blend it in a little bit more. So that this part is the lightest and this part is darker to blend into the black. And same thing here. But if I'm wrong about the gray, then whatever color it is should be is the same technique. Just make this part darker so that it blends in. There, so it just gives the eyes a little bit more of a shine. There, okay, so now that we're done with the eyes, we can continue with the little nose right in the center. So say about right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just draw this tiny little triangular dot. And then the mouth. You can just draw a big curve for a smile, or if you like, I'm just gonna try to do the open mouth one. I thought it was really cute. I'm gonna come about right here underneath that nose, and I'm just gonna draw a curve and a slant. So it's not very happy right now, but then we're gonna curve it. Just curve it, and same thing here. Curve it, and then we're going to connect it. A deeper curve and connect. There, much happier, right? And in the center, we need to draw this little tooth right in the center and connect. So it's like a soft V right there. Then from there, let's draw some cheeks. So touching the eye, we're going to come about right here. And I'm just going to draw this ovalish shape at a slight angle right about here. And same thing here. So touching this eye, approximate. It's always harder for the second one. So you have to try to copy the first one. So approximately same height and level and size. There, at a slight angle. And definitely make any adjustments you need. Okay, so I have the cheeks in now, and then I'm just going to come above each eye and just draw a soft curve before I forget. And then now we need to draw the face and the body. So I am, let's see here, let's make it a little bit easier. We're going to, okay, let's just use this as our guide. We're going to come to the bottom of our cheeks right here. Just come out, say about right here. Not too far away, same thing here. About here, just give yourself a point. From there, we're going to just draw a straight line going up. Let's go up to about maybe halfway of your eye. So same thing here. So we're starting to frame in the head. And then from there, we're just going to draw a big curve just to connect everything. So now we can go up and just round this off. Nice and high. Just say about right there. And then go ahead and bring it all together. So just one big curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the ears. I love these ears, they're so cute. So we're gonna come to the side right here, and let's say about right here, we're gonna draw one. They kind of remind me of leaves. So we're gonna come here to a little point, soften up the point, come down, and then another little one. Soften up the point and bring it in. And then in about right here in the center, there's a little line. There. So same thing on this side, say about right here. This one we're gonna have it kind of going down a little bit, so just to make it more cute, we're gonna slant this one down. So we still want to aim to be about the same size, the same thing. Round off the tip, bring it in, and then same thing, another little one right about here. And then once again, the center, just draw a little line that goes out. From there, let's go ahead and draw some markings. So on the head, so we're going to come to your center. Find your center, which is about right here. We're going to go to the left a little bit, so about right here. And so same thing, go to your right, so about right here. Now that you have your 2 points, we're going to zigzag down. So let's come right here first on this side. Just come down, 1, then 2, and just bring it into the eye. So same thing here. So it splits everything in half. There. And then it's going to come out about right here. So it's just continuing. And well, let's bring this first. Let's draw this arm first. So I'm going to come in here. Imagine this is a body that just comes straight down. I'm going to stop and say about right here, I'm going to draw a curve for an arm that comes out. But if you're using pencil, just bring that line down for the rest of the body. But I'm just going to pop out this hand and bring it in about right there. And then whatever space I have left, just fill it in. Let it come through about right here. So I'm just drawing that curve first, and then let's come about right here. Just going to pop out, and about right here, we're going to zigzag again. 1, and then another one. We're going to cut it off. So about right here, zigzag, and then we're going to bring it down and curve right underneath this arm. So we're creating this little pocket, and then about right here we can finish off the arm and just bring it in. So just the hand is in the pocket. There. And so same thing over here. So it's going to come out about here, and we're just following the other side here. And once again, we're going to curve and out. So then on this side, we need to draw a hand. So let's pop it out about right here. And we're going to give a little thumb. And then in this hand, we're going to have a little, just draw this circle for a seed. And then a little detail right here, just a little curve. And then bring the hand in. So come right about here. And just bring it in. So Morpeko is always eating and putting seeds in its pocket, right? And then whatever space you have left, finish it off, and then we're going to pop it out about right here, just like the other side. And then once again, just bring this in to create the other side. Then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this together at the bottom. There. Okay, so then let's see. You know what? Let's make this a little bit fatter at the bottom. So I'm going to pop this out a little bit more. I think it's a little bit cuter that way. So we're just going to pop this out. Just going to make it a little bit thicker. Okay, so then from there, I'm going to go ahead and at the bottom, connect it, but wobble towards the center and connect. There. And then we need to draw these cute little feet. So right under each of these wobbles, we're going to come about right here. Draw a curve, another curve, and just connect. So same thing here underneath this wobble, curve, curve and connect. There. And let's see, hopefully I'm not missing anything. I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Morpeko from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw this cute Pokemon fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.